In this question, you're being asked to evaluate each one of these quadratic functions to find their vertex, the axis of symmetry, the range, and the number of x-intercepts. So let's start with y equals x squared plus 3. Y equals x squared plus 3 has a p-value of 0 and a q-value of positive 3. Therefore, the vertex is at 0, positive 3. The axis of symmetry is at x equals 0. The range is that y must be greater than or equal to that lowest point. So y must be greater than or equal to positive 3. And we can see that it never ever crosses the x-axis. Therefore, there are 0 x-intercepts. Now for y equals x minus 3 all squared minus 2. This has a p-value of positive 3 and a q-value of negative 2. This graph has been shifted 3 units to the right and 2 units down. So it has a vertex at positive 3, negative 2. Its axis of symmetry occurs at x equals positive 3. Its range is that y must be greater than or equal to that lowest possible point. So y must be greater than or equal to negative 2. And we can see that it crosses the x-axis twice. Therefore, there are 2 x-intercepts. And lastly, y equals x plus 2 all squared minus 3. This has a p-value of negative 2 and a q-value of negative 3. This graph has been shifted 2 units to the left and 3 units down, and has a vertex at negative 2, negative 3. Its axis of symmetry occurs right here at x equals negative 2. Its range is that y must be greater than or equal to that lowest possible point at negative 3. And once again, we can see that because it's below the x-axis, opening upwards, it crosses the x-axis twice. So it has 2 x-intercepts.